In today's data-driven world, information is power, but raw data, in its unorganized form, is just noise. That's where data science comes in. It is the interdisciplinary field that transforms raw data into actionable insights, driving innovation and informed decision making across various sectors. Data science is about turning information into useful knowledge. It uses math, computer skills, and special techniques to find patterns and make predictions from large amounts of data. This data could be anything from customer purchases to weather patterns. Data scientists clean and organize these data, then use tools to find hidden trends. They might build models to predict what will happen next or create easy to understand charts to show their findings. These insights help businesses make better decisions, improve products, and solve problems more effectively. It is a growing field that changes how we understand the world around us.